Welcome, kiddies, to our journey through the year. We will explore the beauty and uniqueness of each season. Let's begin with the season of new beginnings. Spring, the season of renewal and rebirth. The snow melts away and flowers begin to bloom. Birds return with their cheerful songs, and the days grow longer and warmer. It's a time of planting gardens and enjoying the fresh, fragrant air. Spring is indeed a time of beauty and growth. As the world awakens from its winter slumber, let's move on to the warm embrace of summer. Summer, the season of warmth and sunshine. The days are long and the nights are short. It's a perfect time for swimming, barbecues, and vacations. Schools are out and everyone enjoys the great outdoors from beaches to hiking trails. Summer brings joy and freedom with endless opportunities for fun and adventure. But as the days start to shorten, we welcome the crisp air of autumn. Summer brings joy and freedom with endless opportunities for fun and adventure. As the heat builds, we often welcome the refreshing rains of the rainy season. Rainy season, the time when the heavens open up and shower the earth with life-giving water. Rivers swell, plants flourish, and the air is filled with the fresh, clean scent of rain. It's a time for cozy indoor activities, listening to the rhythm of raindrops and watching the world come alive with greenery. Autumn, the season of harvest and transformation. The leaves turn vibrant shades of red, orange, and yellow, creating a breathtaking tapestry of color. It's a time for apple picking, pumpkin carving, and cozy sweaters. The air is cool, and the landscape prepares for the coming Etkies. Autumn's beauty is a reminder of the cycle of life, as nature prepares for winter's rest. And now, let us embrace the cold, serene beauty of winter. Winter, the season of rest and reflection. The world is blanketed in snow, creating a peaceful, silent landscape. It's a time for holidays, hot cocoa by the fire, and family gatherings. Though the days are short and cold, there's a special warmth in the hearts of those who come together. Winter's chill gives us a chance to pause and reflect, to gather close with loved ones, and appreciate the warmth of companionship. And so, the cycle of the seasons continues, each bringing its own beauty and joy. From the rebirth of spring to the vibrancy of summer, the transformation of autumn, and the tranquility of winter, each season offers its own unique gifts. Let us cherish and celebrate them all.
Having fun, kiddies? Please press subscribe and like button for more learning. See you soon.